This is an unboxing video. Okay, like what I said 2 seconds earlier, this is an unboxing video where we remove something from its box. And yeah, I'll tell you what I think about it. First up, this box in front of me is the Spyder helmet. The Spyder helmet, as you can see here, Spyder. Okay, it says here the model, size and color on the side. So it's the Rev PD model, full face, and it's matte black. This video is not sponsored by Spyder, by the way, but it is sponsored by my sister who graciously gifted me this helmet for Christmas. I hope I am in focus. Camera, let's go. Inside, it's nothing special, it's just the helmet in here. So it's just a helmet with a silver helmet bag. Open it up like so, and voila. I have really bad lighting in my room. So it's matte black, Rev helmet, full face, by Spyder. The linings under here, the chin cover and everything else is removable. They are removable, so you can wash them. It has a dual visor, so you put up the visor here, and it has a switch right here. If I pull this, boom, second visor. So I like the design. Just look at the profile. Look at that. This is what it will look like when you wear it. So this is the back. Let's get some light on that. And then the other side profile. So it looks, the front looks like. So yeah, it has a vent here in front. Pull it up, pull it down. The vents are up here. It also has vents here on top. Here's the switch. Pull that, opens. Push it, closes. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. This helmet is pretty straightforward, and I did buy it because of the profile, the design. It's matte black as well. Yeah, this helmet, as you can see here, is medium sized. I usually go for a larger helmet. I mean, all my previous helmets are large, but with this one, I felt like the large size was too loose on my face. So if you didn't know, your face should be squished like this when you're wearing a full-faced helmet. Okay, I want to say there's one thing that I don't like about it, is because the visor can only be opened from the left side. Like the handle thing to open the visor is only on the left side. That's like the only downside I can see. Removal of the visor is kind of easy. It's straightforward. You just pull this thingy here. This. Pull this forward. Pull the sides off, and you're good. I'm gonna wear the helmet right now. This is what it looks like. To the side, other side, front. Still has this. Still had the damn sticker on. I forgot to remove that. But yeah, still has the tag here as well. Yeah, that's a kind of thing. Dual visor, like so. Actually, the dual visor is not that bad. But what I did is I also got a smoke visor, but the smoke visor for this model is only 50% smoke, so it's not totally black. And I think I like it because it's only 50%. It means you can use it. You can use it during the day, use it during the night. All good. I'll remove this from my face. And here we have the Spyder Rev helmet. I know what you're thinking. Medium-sized helmet? Man, this guy must have a small dick. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Mata na.